The most important planet in your birth chart that have a power to give you huge money in the life. Ketu is the most important planet that have a power to give you huge money. So your greatest superpower in your birth chart is there with the Ketu. Like you want money, you want status, you want influence of the people, and you want overall success in the life, then you have to activate your Ketu in the positive way. All the successful companies like Samsung, Reliance are based on the Ketu. What exactly Ketu is and how you can activate Ketu in the positive way. So Ketu is your true nature. Ketu is your true self. If you show your true self to the other, this will help you out to activate your Ketu in the positive way. Your authentic self, your core principles, your inner truth, the person you are when nobody is watching. So, usually, people fake themselves when they are in front of the camera. They don't see real word in front of the camera. What exactly Ketu is? Ketu is a true nature. You have to show as it is how you are to the world, and you will see you will get the huge success in the life. On the other side, what is Rahu all about? Rahu is all about illusion. Rahu is all about sudden wealth. So Rahu will give you sudden wealth, but every other person will not able to retain this wealth. So Rahu is giving illusions to other, how others influence you, the image you project in front of others, your social validation, the need to impress or to be impressed, like show off that you do, things that you do to show people that I am rich, purchasing a lot of luxurious car and then posting the pictures on the social media is Rahu. A strong Ketu person lives a very simple life. They don't easily get influenced by the society, trends, status, or public opinion. They remain rooted in who they truly are. Most people are influenced by their surroundings. So if you have a high influence of Ketu in life, then people will be started attracting towards you. They will started liking you. A strong Ketu person influence the surroundings instead. So if you have a high influence of Ketu, people will love to listen to you. If you have a high influence of Rahu, then you may have the fake followers. Maybe you may have the fake friends. You maybe have a fake colleagues. But when you have a positive influence of Ketu in life, then you are surrounded by the true people. So the disciplined spiritual nature was so strong that he remained unchanged. So if the person have a high influence of Ketu in the life, then the person's nature always remained unchanged. The person's remains same whatever the situation is. So the Ketu is not about the material world. It is about your inner strength. It is about your inner mental health. So if you are internally you are happy from inside, gradually and slowly you will see that you will start enjoying the outer world. So how to recognize a Ketu person? How you have to recognize a person have a high influence of Ketu in the life or a person have a high influence of Rahu in the life. When the person have a high influence of the Ketu in the life, they live in their own world. Ketu dominant people are often lost in their own thoughts, imagination, comfortable alone and unconcerned with the fitting in. Like doesn't matter to them what people are thinking about them. They do what makes them happy. They enjoy their own company and rarely feel pressed to follow the crowd. On the other side, Rahu is all illusions, dikhawa. Like you do things to show to the others. So when you do things to show to the others, you are not happy from inside. But when you do things to make yourself happy, that means you have a high influence of Ketu. That means that you will be always happy throughout the life. So that is the difference between Rahu and Ketu. Rahu, you show to the outer world that I am happy, but from inside you must not be happy. Ketu, internally you are happy and you doesn't want to show your life to others. So when the person have a high influence of Ketu in the life, these people are religious, rules, formal structures. Ketu focuses more on direct experiences, inner connection, personal spirituality. They seek truth rather than the tradition. So these people are more into the spirituality rather than being in religious. They follow mindfulness. They do things that make them happy from inside, not from the outer world. On the other side, Rahu people do things to make to show to the people that they are rich, but Ketu people do things to make themselves happy. So most people are, usually you will notice in this era Kali Yuga, most people are impressed by the luxury cars, expensive lifestyles, social status and the wealth, and a strong Ketu person remains completely unaffected any of with these things. So two things that truly touch them is the spiritual depth and the nature. Rahu, on the other side, Rahu people, they are in the world of illusion. Unlike Ketu, Rahu constantly seek the external validation. How people will how people will see you, what people will think about you. A Rahu dominant person can easily be influenced by the appearances. So they are more into showing off. They are more into luxury, beauty, showing off their luxury and beauty. So when the person have a high influence of Rahu, like in this era, you will find a lot of people on social media, they are showing a very good life of them in the social media. That is Rahu, but not necessary they have such a beautiful life. On the other side, Ketu influenced people are very happy from the inner world, and they don't want to show that to the outer world. So that is the difference between Rahu and Ketu. A very special combinations you must have noticed is a Jupiter plus Ketu combination in the birth chart. This is a very powerful combination. Jupiter plus Ketu combination. This combination makes a person naturally into the spirituality. Wisdom come from within rather than from books alone. The soul naturally seeks the higher truth. These people are into seeking to the higher truth and will be focusing more on making their inner world happy rather than showing it to the outer world. The same way, second combination is of Saturn plus Ketu together. This creates a true karma yogi. If it has a if it has a good aspect of Jupiter on it, then such people work sincerely in life, fulfill the responsibilities, stay detached from the results, and they focus on the action rather than the results. One day you will notice Saturn plus Ketu people reach to a great heights in their life. So, Ketu means deep thinking, strong intuition, independent analysis, no show off, doing things to make themselves their inward happy. On the other side, Rahu is an illusion, do things to make people happy, to show to the people, but from inside they are blank. So you should activate positively the Ketu in the life, and the best remedy to activate the Ketu in the life as much as you are into the spirituality, and stop showing off your spirituality. Start focusing more on your inward, on your more inward happiness. Do things that makes you happy rather than doing things to show off that I have this, I have that. That is purely Rahu. Rahu is an illusion. If a person have a high influence of Rahu, that means that the person will not be good mentally from inside. And the first priority of your life is a mental health. If you are not good mental health wise, then you will suffer a lot in the life. Do let me know in the comments where your Rahu and Ketu is placed in your birth chart.